We up in the Philippines, any questions, all you do is ask. You can get it right from Sass in the Philippines. Sass in the Philippines, all you gotta do is use your passport, then you get a pass to the Philippines. Sass in the Philippines, all you gotta do is use your passport, then you get a pass to the Philippines.
Good afternoon, guys. Today I will show it to you how to make quick and easy fried pork chop. I already put flour in there, probably 2 cups of flour, and then I will add corn starch, 1 cup, and then I will season with chicken bouillon, the powder one. I will put 2 tablespoons. 1, 2. Then black pepper, 1 tablespoon. I will add garlic powder, 1 tablespoon. Onion powder, 1 teaspoon. Then mix it. By the way, guys, the pork chop I already marinated last night with salt and pepper, onion powder, garlic powder, black pepper. I'm not using salt. By the way, my oil is heating up in a stove. Okay, that's all mixed up already. I use 2 eggs. Alright, now what we have to do is dip an egg and a flour. We will double dip it. After the flour, put in the water and dip it back in there. Alright, my hands clean. I already washed them. This is the pork chop. First, we have to dip here on the egg, like this. And then go right here. Then dip in the water. And then put it back there. That way when we cook this, it's gonna be crispy. Okay. Put it right there for now. And we will repeat all this till the pork chop right out. Alright, guys, time to fry. Check the oil if it is hot. Yeah, screaming hot. Here we go. I think we'll fit 2 in there. We're gonna put 2 in there. We will fry it till golden brown. Ooh, it's bleeding. it up. Now, I will double fry them. Okay guys, this is the last batch of pork chop. Alright guys, this is the last one. I think it's done. You can turn it off. There we go.
Just act sass in the Philippines.